Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me again, Urdu Fashion World. First of all, I would like to say that if you don't subscribe my channel, subscribe it and hit the bell icon. You can find every upcoming video easily. So let's start a video. Today's video is all about on blue dresses. Sky blue dresses are a timeless choice, exuding elegance and sincerity when it's come to design. These are countless options to suit various occasions and personal styles. A-line dresses. The classic A-line silhouette complements all body types. A sky blue A-line dress with delicate lace dilating along the hemline adds a touch of femininity. Maxi dresses for a relaxed bohemian vibe. For a flowing sky blue maxi dress with a chinic waist creates an effortlessly chic look. Wrap dresses. A sky blue wrap dress is versatile and flattering. It's adjustable was fit and suitable. Ruffers make it suitable for both casual outings and formal events. Tired dresses. A tired sky blue dress offers a playful dynamic. The cascading layers create movement and interest. A trendy choice two-piece sky blue dresses features a crop top shirt and allowing to for a mix and match. Whether it's for a wedding, a beach vacation, or a casual day out, sky blue dresses offer a versatile wardrobe addition. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. This is all about today's video. We met in next video. Allah Hafiz.